I'm Soujanya from AnZC. Now I'm going to explain about the fats and oils and their sources. And now we are going to know about the fats and oils and their sources. These fats remain solid at room temperature and oils remain liquid at room temperature, and fats are more saturated and oils are unsaturated. These fats consist of higher melting point and oils consist of lower melting point, and these fats are more stable and oils are less stable. And these fats are present naturally in many foods. In common usage, fats that have relatively higher melting point and are solid at room temperature are called fats, whereas those have lower melting point and are liquid at room temperature are called oils. Fats containing appreciable quantities of invisible fats include meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, egg, and visible fats are made from these products. They are lard, cooking oil, salad oils, and butter. Fats play a variety of roles in both preparation and nutrition. And sources of fats and oils. Fats and oils may be a vegetable, animal, and marine origin. Examples of vegetable fats include solid fat, cocoa butter, and liquid oils include corn oils, sunflower oil, soybean oil, cotton seeds, peanuts, olive oils, canola oils, and may more. Animal fats include lard from hogs tallow, from beef and butter fat, from milk. Fish oils include cold liver oils, from mehen and whole oils, although the whale is really mammal. Some of these fats and oils are chosen for food uses because of special flavor or physical attributes. For example, lard contributes a meat flavor. Olive oil has a distinctive flavor on salad, and butter fat has a buttery aroma and flavor. Most oil-bearing plants store their fats as triacyl glycerols in endosperm or fleshy fruit monocarp. Seed oils can be also important source of carotenoids, tocopherols, and plant sterols such as B-cystosterols and plant sterols. Although the latter is not observed from human gut, fats are relatively more saturated, oils are relatively more unsaturated. And linoleic acid content of some common oils in percentages. Oils: coconut oil, linoleic oil contain 2%, mustard oil consists of 15%, ghee consists of 2% of linoleic acid content, palm oil consists of 10% of linoleic acid content, safflower oil consists of 70% of linoleic acid content, and sunflower oil consists of 50%, and groundnut consists of 40% of linoleic acid. Thank you.
My name is Sweety from AnZC. I am going to explain about types of fats and oils. Moving to the next slide. Introduction about types of fats. There are 4 types of fats are there. They are monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, saturated fats, and trans fats. Monounsaturated fats are: these fats contain one double bond between the molecules. Example: olive, pistachios, badam, sesame, fish, avocado, groundnuts. Polyunsaturated fats are: these fats contain 2 or more double bonds between the molecules. Example: walnuts, flax seeds, fish, canola oil, sunflower, corn, soybean, and flaxseed oils. Saturated fats, no double bonds. Example: coconut, coconut oil, palm oil, and palm kernel oil. Trans fats are: it is also unsaturated fats contain double bond. Example: commercial baked goods, microwave popcorn, frozen pizza, fried foods, non-dairy coffee. And next, lard. To make lard, fatty tissue of the hog are chopped into small pieces and heated with or without the addition of water to remove fat from the cells, as so-called rendering process. The quality of lard depends on the location of the fatty tissue in the animal and on the method of heating. In addition, the arrangement of some of the fatty acids within the fat molecules changed by a process known as interestalification. This change results in a product of improved plasticity and creamy qualities. Butter. Butter is the fat of cream that is separated more or less completely from the other milk constituents by agitation or churning. The mechanical rupture of the protein film that surrounds each of the fat globules in cream allows the globules to coalesce. Butter formation is the example of the breaking of an lid in water emulsion by agitation. Margarine. Margarine made from animals, fats and vegetable oils used for flavoring, baking, soybean and cottonseed oils, refined and partially hydrogenated to the desired consistency are extensively used to produce margarine. And next, types of oils. In these oils, extra virgin olive oil is highest grade of olive oil. It is unrefined oil made from pressing of olives. It is used in making pizza pasta. Pure olive oil. Pure olive oil are derived from further pressing after the extraction of extra virgin olive oil. It is used as cooking oil for seasoning or for shallow fry. And next, olive oil. The main component in olive oil is a monounsaturated fatty acid called oleic acid. It is 55 to 83% of the total. Saturated fatty acid 8 to 14%. Polyunsaturated fatty acids are 94 to 20%. Other important components included antioxidants such as vitamin E, A and phenols. Rice bran oils. It contains tocoledons and urgenol, rich in vitamin E processed antioxidant. It is less absorbed or consumed when compared to groundnut oil. Sesame oil. Cold pressed, has light delicate flavor, extracted from sesame seeds. It is used in pickles for flavor and preservation. Rapeseed oil. Canola oil is rapeseed oil obtained from brassicaceae, used in making pickles and cookery. Palm oil obtained from fruit of palm. It is used in margarines. And next, cotton. Cotton consumed as a salad, used as shortening, has natural flavor. Groundnut used as salad oil. It is used for making margarines and used for preserving fish like sardines. Coconut oil. It is made from dried coconut. It is used in preparation of oil and banana chips. Soybean oil obtained from raw bean. It is used in vanaspati cooking oil, sandwich spreads.
Spoilage rancidity. Myself K. Ruchita. I am from AnZC. Rancidity. Rancidity means when fats are exposed to heat, light or oxygen, the fats become unsaturated, or due to chemical changes, the fats break down into smaller particles called fatty acids. This process is called rancidity. Spoilage of fats may occur on storage, particularly if the fats are highly saturated and conditions of storage are conducive to chemical change in fats. Rancidity is of two types: hydrolytic rancidity and oxidative rancidity. Hydrolytic rancidity. It is also known as hydrolysis. It is a chemical change in the fats. This process decomposes fats into free fatty acids and makes the fat unsaturated. Butyric acid and caproic acid are volatile fatty acids which makes change in the order of butter. These acids may also make the butter inedible when they are present in low concentration. To prevent hydrolysis of fats, we should heat. We can catalyze the process of hydrolysis by heating thoroughly to destroy lipase enzyme. Next, oxidation. Oxidation can be seen in unsaturated fats and foods which have lipoxygenase. Lipoxygenase is an enzyme which makes the food inedible. Hydroperoxide that are formed break readily, producing smaller volatile substances that gives a characteristic odor. The development of rancidity is not only because of undesirable change in odor, flavor, color or consistency, but also because of the inactivation of vitamin A and E. Fats subjected to undesirable change or by inactivation of vitamins or by both may contain fatty oxy and hydroxy acids, ketone, lactone and may include trimethylene with its fishy odor. Next topic is spoilage. Spoilage by microorganisms. Some of the pigments produced by microorganisms. These microorganisms are fat soluble and they can diffuse into fats. It produces discolorations starting from yellow, red, purple. Yellow, pink and red fatty soluble pigments may be produced by various bacteria, yeast and molds. Spoilage of salad dressings. Salad dressing may contain oil which becomes oxidized or hydrolyzed and enough moisture to prevent microbial growth. Let us take the example of mayonnaise. The three types of spoilage of mayonnaise and similar dressings are separation of oil or water from emulsion, oxidation hydrolysis of oil by chemical and biological action, growth of microorganisms to produce gas, off flavors and other defects. Darkening often takes place. Spices of Zygosaccharus and Saccharomyces have spoiled mayonnaise, salad dressings and French dressing. Then how to prevent rancidity? Prevention of rancidity. We can protect fats against by the rapid development of rancidity by controlling the conditions of storage. Storage at refrigerator and freezing temperature prevents rancidity by reducing auto-oxidation. Rays of light catalyze the oxidation of fats. By the use of colored glass containers like shade of green bottles and wrappers that absorb the active rays, fats can be protected against the spoilage.
Hello everyone, I am Sravani from AnZC. My seminar topic is refining of oils. Here is the chart of how refined oil prepared from crude oil. There are two methods, chemical refining, physical refining. The steps involved in these methods is deguming, neutralization, bleaching, deodorization. The final output is refined oil. Deguming means water refining, usually called deguming, treating natural oils with small amount of water. Neutralization. Neutralization means this process is to neutralize free fatty acids. That means to remove the acidity. Caustic soda is used for treatment of free fatty acids. Bleaching. Bleaching means bleaching. This process is used to improve appearance and taste of oil. Bleaching earth is applied to crude oil, minimizing its content of pigments. Deodorization. It is a steam distillation process to remove free fatty acids and volatile components present in crude edible oil. These unwanted substances negatively affect the odor, flavor, color and stability of final product. Refining and processing of fats. Fats and oils commonly used in food preparation are separated from various materials and refined. Many oils comes from seeds or fruits. Lard comes from pork tissue and butter from cream. Further processing produces fats such as margarine and hydrogenate shortening. Margarine also a type of cheese. Refining of oils. Vegetable oils are removed from oil containing seeds, fruits, and nuts by various pressing processes, by solvent extraction, or by combination of both. A seed cake that is high in protein remains after fat extraction and is often used for animal feed. Many vegetable oils do not tend to lend themselves to conventional refining techniques. Rice bran oil ends up with a refining loss factor of nearly 4 as against of 2 for normal oils. A lot of solvent extracted mustard oil, groundnut oil ends up at FFA about 10%. Such oils cannot be refined by alkali treatments. The first step is usually to react the oil with an alkaline material to remove the free fatty acids that are not attached to glycerol molecule. Free fatty acids in excess can distract from the oil's flavor and decrease its effectiveness